It could be in the ground because if you think about it, look where the animals are fire truck.
Oh my goodness. Bro, the lorry did that. Bro, the lorry
Her whole cabin came off.
Oh my
Where's
goodness.
the other car?
I think it's in the grass.
You would see it though, because you can see the cars on the highway.
What if it's somebody else's thing?
Bro, oh my goodness.
What happened?
The cars got crashed.
What is it, baby girl?
I think that was her car.
No, they were calling her.
They must know her. Oh my gosh, the victim's right there.
Look it up on
Oh, it might be on the other side of the fire truck. No. Yeah.
Yeah, could be.
It's probably in the medium.
Yeah, I see it.
It's probably on the other side of the fire
That's what I was
truck.
thinking.
Because the fire truck's on in the medium.
That's what I was thinking. That's what I was telling her because there's all that stuff is right there, so it had to flew on the other side or something.
It might be in the medium because the highway, you know, there's. Oh. I don't know. It's hard to tell.
See, they're not able to.
Can we go check on that side? We can see the car. But on the other side of the fire truck. Can you lift me up?
You can.